Can you start with me? Alright, okay, let's start. Yesterday I said, when we start problem solving, there are 3 steps, right? Number 1 is that the unknown is something. Number 2 is what? Solve question and solve. Number 3, answer the question or write the conclusion. Okay? Now, it doesn't mean that all x values will be accepted. But it also doesn't mean that negative value will be rejected. Is that clear to everyone? And I also told you there are kind and cruel questions. Kind question will say that show the equation reduced to this. So even if you cannot show, you can start solving. Understand? And answer it. Clear? Don't lose your marks there. Alright, let's have a look. Yesterday, I did example 14, right? Alright. Now, there are many types of questions. Example 14 is the one on Pythagoras theorem. Example 15 is the type on speed time. Understand? Speed time. If you look at example 16, is something on a model. There's also something on geometry. For example, what do you mean by that? Area, perimeter. Understand? So, in the exercise that I'm going to assign for exercise 1B, by the way, I prepare my work, right? I always prepare in November, December, right? The whole year's work. And I'll do every question that I select. And I'll give you a variety. You'll realize I give you a variety. Sometimes, for example, terms actually, I'll give you minimum maximum. Sometimes I give you better. That means just touch. Sometimes no touch. There must be a variety. Cannot everything also be number. Then you don't know how to work as number. You understand? So when I select questions, I also will select one on speaker, one on whatever. Different type, so that you are exposed to it. Clear? And sometimes I will also select an advanced question. Because I select every step very advanced. You understand when you come from? Understand? O level you need to go. Clear? Okay, so that's my start. Alright. Let's look at example 15. A family travels 315 kilometers from Singapore to Kuala Lumpur. The average speed of a car is 80 kilometers per hour, more than the speed of a coach. Let the average speed of the coach be x kilometers per hour. Now, this question is a high question because they already let the speed of the coach be what? X kilometers per hour. Can you see what I'm talking about here? Okay? Part 1. Write down expression in terms of x for the number of hours the family would take to reach Kuala Lumpur if they choose to travel by car. Okay. The coach speed is x kilometers per hour, am I right? What about the car speed? X plus 18 kilometers per hour, right? Correct. But they didn't ask for the speed. They said, what kind of expression in terms of x for the number of hours the family would take to reach Kuala Lumpur if they choose to travel by car? Time is distance divided by speed. So part 1, time taken will be 315 divided by this one. Agree? And this will give me the time in hours. Is everyone clear? Yes or no? Okay. Then let's look at the next part. If they choose to travel by car instead of by coach, they will reach Kuala Lumpur 1 hour and 15 minutes earlier. Okay, now, let me just write something here. Now, this one is the car one. What is the time taken by the coach? 315 over x. This will be the coach, right? Now, you tell me, which one travel faster? The car, right? So the car will take a shorter time. Do you understand? You must know which one minus which one, not the one. Understand? Then I want to know, is it coach minus car or car minus coach? Coach minus car. Coach minus car, right? Correct? So, I will have this. Hour 15 minutes, right? Now, do you put like this? I always have people doing this nonsense. Cannot, huh? This is in hours. So, it will be 1 hour 15 over 60. Now, actually, this is not good enough. This is actually 1/1/4. This is still not good enough. Actually, this is 5/4. When once I put this, what I want you to do? You simplify, then you cross multiply. Can you see what I'm talking about here? I'm not going to do a simplification because we've done a lot of simplification. Understand? It's here that I need you to know. Now, then I want to ask a question. Let's say let's say. The code takes 20 minutes more. How would I write here? They give you 20 minutes. So what should you do? 20 over 60. You cannot put like that. A lot of people exam will put like that, 20. That means it's 20 hours more. Do you understand? You must look at the question. What is the units? You cannot just find it 2. Everybody clear? Okay, now I'm not going to do the simplification. Okay? If I simplify this, look at part 2. Write down an equation to represent this information and show that it simplifies to this. That means this one ultimately will become like this. Everybody clear? I'm not going to show the simplification. Understand? Just like when you do your exercise 1C or that. Sorry, 1B. You simplify, and then you get the answer. Okay? Now, next, part 3. Can you look at part 3? Solve the equation. Okay? Solve the equation. Giving both answers correct to 3 decimal places. Okay? Now, some people say, oh, just I want to factorize it. Now, plus, if the number is so big, don't bother about factorization. Just straight away plug in the formula. Understand? Yes or no? Okay, I want you to minus b plus minus square root b squared take away 4ac over 2a. What is here? Focus. 18. 1. This is what? Negative 4, 5, 3, 6. So this is negative 18 plus minus. What is inside here? Okay, I cannot. Forget what. Can you tell me what's inside the bracket? I mean, not bracket, square root. Do you get this? Do you get this? Yes, now, I want to know. The question says to give the answers correct to what? 3 decimal places, right? Now, I must teach you this. If the answer is 3 decimal places, the working must be 5 decimal places. Always 2 more. Do you understand? Just like if the answer is 3 significant figure, the working must be 5 figure. Truncate. Working always truncate means chop off. Final answer is what? Round off. Okay? Alright. What's the first answer? What's your first answer? 55 decimal places. 58 for what? Bobby. You look at me, no use my face for no calculator.
You said 5 decimal place.
5 decimal place, 58 for what?
5 dt. 5 dt. dt not 3 dt is 5 1.
9, 4, 8. 5 1. Truncate, correct. Because the question said 3 dt ma. So the working must be 5 dt ma. Okay. What about the other one? Negative? All working must be truncate. 5 1. Is it 0? Truncate means cut. You don't know. Is it 0? Okay, good. What is this one? 76 point? Okay? 94850 also. Is it correct? Okay, then we go to PDP. 949, correct? How about here? 949 also. Are we clear? Are we clear? I'm talking to you. Yes, okay, next. Part 3. So, giving both answers correct to 3 decimal places. Find the estimated time by the family to travel by car. Give your answer correct to the nearest minute. Okay, now, first of all, I want to know what x represents. Speed, right? Can speed be negative? I know you learn physics. Velocity can be negative. 0.94850 plus 18. Can all of you key in this? How many hours? This is in hours. Okay? 4.093.6. So 5 figure truncate, right? Because it didn't say anything, right? Now, how to change from hour to minutes? Times 60. Okay, all of you times 60?
245.
Times 60, they say to the nearest minute. So you give me the whole thing first. How much?
245.6.
245.6. 6 to 1. 0.6 what? Just like that. 0.16 is it? Oh, 616. Okay. They said to the nearest minute, right?
No, 618. Because I think sometimes by using the negative 18 plus number of what is that?
No. I really say you use this one. Understand? Do not use this one. Ready? Okay. Will you get this one? Is it here? Okay. Nearest 6 what?
618.
8.
Yes.
Give me a short calculator. Yes, I don't want calculator. I don't want to use calculator. Okay, don't ask me why. I don't know why.
Is that the jar has it?
245.616, right? So nearest minute is what? 246 minutes. Everybody okay? Now, then I want to ask a question. What if they say give it in hours and minutes to the nearest minute? That means how many hours here?
4 hours, 6 minutes.
4 hours, 6 minutes. Are you all clear? Sometimes they will do this. Give it in hours and minutes to the nearest minute. Are you okay? Are you okay? Can or cannot? Can, huh? I'm trying to tell you the presentation. Huh? Everybody clear? Now, I want you to think about something. Don't talk. In the question, the units will appear in the statements. Can you see the equation? Just now I found the equation. There's no units one. Understand? If a section of the unit is consistent on both sides, it means both are in hours. Everybody clear? In an equation, there shouldn't be many units. Then when you finally write the conclusion, then the minutes will come out again. Do you understand what I'm saying here? Yes or no? Equation got no units. You must make sure it's consistent. For example, this side is in cents, that side must also be in cents. If this side is in dollars, the other side must also be in dollars. You don't go and put the unit sign over there. Everybody clear? Okay. So that will be your example 15. Are we okay? Are we okay? Alright, good. Next. Okay, don't talk. Next, I want you to look at example 16. This one is a very simple question, but you need to understand the context. Okay? Alright? Let us take a look, huh? Let us take a look. Okay. If I threw a ball into the air, the path of the ball will be modeled by the equation. It's actually a projectile motion. Right? Now, can you see it's negative t squared? That means the ball will go N shape, right? Now, that right here, and then right now. Okay, now, then the question says, where t is in seconds, is the time from the moment the ball was thrown, and h in meters is the height of the ball above the ground. Understand? Okay, now, find the difference in the height between the ball at its highest point and the point from which it was thrown. Okay, now, when it was thrown, t is what? 1 meter above the ground. True. Correct now? Okay? Alright, now next. They say between the ball that is at the highest point and the point at which it was thrown. How do we know where's the highest point? I need to complete the square. Then I can get the maximum point. Alright, okay. So I'm going to complete the square. What to do, Ryan? Yes, very good. T square. I want constant now. Next.
Minus.
No. I only want constant, not constances. Okay. Okay, meaning. What's this? I take out negative. So T square here. Minus 4T. Plus. Huh? Minus 1. You confirm or not? Check again. Correct? Is it correct? Yes. Then now we can complete the square. What's inside the bracket? 2. T minus 2 square. What's outside? Negative 5, right? So, what is the completed square form? Negative T minus 2 square plus 5. Everybody okay? Okay. Now, that means when T is 2, it will be at the highest point. Because here now, remember? Okay, so what is H? H will be 5, right? Agree? So what's the difference in height? 5 minus 1? 1. Answer? 4 meters. Are we clear? Are we clear so far? Are we clear so far? Okay, good. Then, can you look at practice now 16 number 1? All of you. Take out your notebook. Take out your notebook. Okay, take out your notebook. Huh? This one copy down in your notebook. Bonnie participates in an obstacle course. She has to jump off a platform to reach a bell that is 3 meters above the ground. The path of her jump can be modeled by the equation where x in meters is the horizontal distance from the edge of the platform and y in meters is the distance from her feet to the ground. Given that Bunny is 1.6 meters tall, determine if she will be able to reach the ball if the platform is 1 meter away from the ball. Can you see it's not easy? Can you see this one is not easy? Can or cannot? Can, huh? Okay. This is the equation. Okay. I'll give you some time to think about it. What does it mean? Now, do you think a diagram will help you? Do you think a diagram will help you? Yes, huh? Okay. Let us draw a diagram, okay? Because why am I going through this? Usually I don't go through practice. Now this one is quite unique. I told you I scan through the whole through. Okay, let's take a look. Bonnie participates in an obstacle course. She has to jump off a platform to ring a bell. That means there's a platform now. Then she got to jump off, right? Right now. To what? To ring a bell that is 3 meters above the ground, right? This is the ground. Alright now. Then this bell, right? Okay, no. Is how many meters above the ground? 3 meters. Understand? Now, you don't go and say my mind can imagine nothing, just draw it off. Do you understand? No? Now, don't need a perfect one. I'm not an art teacher, okay? Just some stick man will do. Alright? Now, what will happen? by this. That means jump, down, like that. So it's coded by this. Okay, now drastic, right? Drastic, Okay, never mind, not drastic. Now let us say when x meters is the horizontal distance from the edge of the platform. That means this will be like x, How much is it away, right? From the platform, correct? What about y? Y is the what? When y in meters is the distance from her feet to the ground. That means this person, go right, body right. So, her feet to the ground, this is my right. Top of the head is up. Okay, then what did I say? Given that body is what? This curve is 1.6 meter tall. Okay? It means if she will be able to reach the bell if the platform is 1 meter away from the bell. Wow! Can you see now? We have more information. This is what? 1 meter, right? Fair enough. Can you draw the diagram for me? And you don't want to draw the stickman also can. Okay? Just know what's happening. Then just draw. Okay. Now, can you see it becomes better? Okay. Now, I want to know when x is 0, what, right? I told you already, right? This one is x, right? When x is 0, what, right? The height of the platform, right? You know what here? Yes or no? The height of the platform. Okay, when x is 0, I will have y equals to what? 0.5. Why? Correct? Okay, I'm teaching you here. Actually, this one is not required. I want to tell you when x is 0, what does it mean? Okay, now can you go and complete the square for me here? Can all of you complete the square for me now? I give you 1 minute. Very fast. Give me this final answer. What is this? X what? X minus 1. So everybody get it? X minus 1. What's this? 1.55. Now, what does this completed square form tell you? When x is 1, y is at the maximum height. Correct? I'm talking to you at last. That means the bell is 1 meter now, so the bell is actually at the maximum point where running jumps, right? Why not? Because it's 1 now. Okay? Now, when x is 1, what is my y? 1.55. Now, what does y represent? Tell me again. So, feet to the ground, right? Okay? If you look like that, of course, cannot laugh. Alright. This bell is how many meters from the ground? 3 meters. Okay, can I take off this thing? Now, at this point, Bonnie will be 1.5 above the ground, right? The feet. But how tall is she? That means I must add another 1.6, right? Alright. Okay, so, height, jump. Okay, wait. The height that I I have will be 1.5 plus 1.6, right? That you will reach. How much is this? 3.1, right? Correct. It's even higher than 3, right? Correct. So do you think you can hit the bell? Yes. So the answer is 10. Are you clear? Are you clear? Yes or no? Now, then I need to teach you. If this number here is star, I'm going to use stars. If star plus 1.6 is less than 3, what will happen? She will not hit the bell. She cannot even touch. You understand? What you say is correct. You never say the hand power one. Okay? When they never say just ignore. You understand? Just like when they say the angle of elevation of the building from the ground. Okay? You take this as elevation. Expect that there's an angle on the ground and then look up. Understand? They never say the height of the person. Unless they mention. Do you understand here? So, can she hit the bell? Yes. Because it's higher. But if it is lower than 3, then cannot cover it. Understand what I'm talking about? Can or cannot? Cannot. Okay, good. Now, next thing I want to say. Okay? I want to look through this again. Let's see if you understand it. I want to go through again. I'm just going to tell you something. I'm not going to dwell on it. Okay. Now, I want to tell you why I want to do this example. Because in A, that's a hollow. You will have one target like that. They will ask you if the login of this type can pass through the number. You understand? It's the same as whether the color will touch the okay? If you cannot miss for long time, this will accident is dying. I'll tell what I'm about. Okay? Alright, now, can you look at question 10? During a test flight, an aircraft flies from sandy land. Wow, sandy land more. To where? Flight city. Very good. Okay? Sati. Bai Chen. Okay? That's it. And then back to sandy again. Actually, that's not logo, right? The distance between sandy land and White City is 450 kilometers. And the total time for the whole journey is 5 hours 30 minutes. What do you mean by total time? Is this sandy to White, back to sandy? Understand how? 5 hours 30 minutes. Okay, then we'll tell you this is okay. Given that there's a constant wind going from sandy to White, the wind comes. Okay, what's the speed of the wind? X kilometers per hour. The question says they give the hint there. Okay, and given that there is a constant wind going from sandy land to White, and that the speed of the aircraft in still air is 165. Find the speed of the wind. State the assumptions you have made to solve this problem. Now I just want to tell you this. This is another way to ask. You have a river. You know there's a current in the river. You can upstream, downstream, that kind of thing. Now, they say the wind is going this way. What do you mean by speed in still air? That means nothing. No wind. Okay. So, can you see that the wind goes this way? If it travels this way, the speed is actually plus x. Because you go in the wind faster. I think you go around on the track, you should know, right? The wind blows is very difficult to fly. If the wind blows, you can fly. So, when it's 2.4 hot, then the wind will blow with you. Now, what do you think about this coming backwards? 165 minus 65. The speed. You all agree with me? You all agree with me? is 5 hours 30 minutes. So plus fly back is what? 165 minus x. This must give me 5.5, right? Which will be what? 11 over 2. Then you just cross. You'll be able to get x. It's not that difficult. That's why the advanced is not that advanced. You know why I have so many audience outside? Can you distract me a bit? Audience is 301, right? So you go to the middle of the YouTube video. Understand now? Stand up. Okay, what's that? This one is from 301, This is from 301?
No,
okay.
just on this.
So are you clear? Now, let's say there's a river. Okay, then there's a current this. So if the boat go this way, you must add the current speed, What if the boat goes this way? Then if you go against the current, you must minus off the current. Do you understand? So this is something that I need to tell you, okay? Now, next thing I want to tell you is, because you've got to make sense of the question, there is no need to read the whole of question 11, but I want you to look through the question. I'm just going to go to the last part. Because I don't want you to talk about it. It's very terrible, okay? I'm just sketch for you to do, okay? Okay, now let's take a look. In a carnival game, participants throw a balloon in water from the top of the platform onto a sandy floor. Points are allocated based on the horizontal distance from the top of the platform to where the balloon lands. Cheryl throws a balloon. During the flight, its height above ground, YCN, is represented by the equation this. Okay, there's no need to copy. I just want to tell you. What does Y represent? Height above ground level. Okay, right. Height above ground level. Okay? What does X represent? X represent what? Distance horizontal. Distance from foot of platform, right? Correct. Actually, it's something like that, okay, right? Correct. Whereby this is my X and this will be my Y above the ground, right? Okay, now then they tell you this. The table shows some values of the you see, they're supposed to plot the graph. You need to plot. I will tell you how the graph looks like. Okay, look at the next page. Using 1cm to represent what you draw a horizontal to okay? Alright, now. So, how does the graph look like? Y and X. I will tell you because of this sketch graph. I just want you to tell me what sense it makes, that's all. It goes like that. Understand? Can you tell me what will this represent? I know 200, what is it representing? The height of the platform, right? Okay, of course, I don't want you to answer that. Now, part 2, use a graph to find maximum height, blah blah, okay, doesn't matter, you will talk about this. Alright, look at part 2. Given that the flight of the balloon above ground can be modeled by this, where X is from 0 to the value T. State the value of T and explain your answer. Now, my question to you is this. Do you agree that this is actually the ground level? That means I must read from the graph what is this value, right? Then the above ground level. I want to know what does this part represent. If it really exists in your life. No underground, right? That means the balloon will have dropped into a drain. You understand what I'm talking about? Or there's a hole out there, the balloon to fly in the hole. You understand? Other than that, this thing cannot happen because I set this question in the set 2 end of year paper. And I asked them what does this represent. Some people write what they say underground, which is correct. Some people don't know. They say they don't know. There was once I set one question, a lot of text, then the poor boy set one boy, of course, they don't know how to go. I mean, they don't know how to complete. So you know what he wrote on the test screen? He said, I will pay for this person. Because he doesn't want to complete. He said, he will pay for this person. now. I give you this.
Something right
Because why I try all this? Because very late already. I think you all want to know. I give them something like angles, then I say this is A, this is B, you know. Now you should know that A is the length, right? You should at least give me something cn now. Oh, this boy I think is desperate. You write apple. Oh, now B, B you must know is something degrees now, right? Oh, wow, he write boy leh. Wow, I think he must be very desperate. This one super desperate. Oh, but you give me some things, this is a fact paper. You write like that, I cannot find you correct. Oh, then I get very sad, you know. I get very sad. Like, how can A is for apple, B is for boy. You know, so those phonic songs that you sing with your nephew and niece or whatever, small kids, they like this kind of thing. Come on. This question was set for a similar triangle, you know. Then you write apple and boy, walao. My face will look away, I tell you first. Okay, so these are the two that I want to highlight to you. And mind you, my math students cannot tell me nonsense. This is called part 1. It's Roman numeral. This is what? Part 2. This is what? Part 3. This is part 4. This is 5. This is 6.
7.
This is 7. So on. I'm always saying you picture part I. Part I. Who such thing?
I see.
Don't tell me I tell you. Okay? Alright, now. I'm going to give some questions. Don't worry, it's not tomorrow I want. Not Friday I want, so you'll be next Wednesday.
Oh,
Next Wednesday then I see you now. Don't be so happy. Wow, so happy right? Like they were. Wow.
CNY 4 高哎 bro.
Never suffer before. You know what my students call me or not? Did they call me a play or throw it out of the class? You know, this is Australia. Above Australia there's a young island, you know. Really? My students go and find out. And they even do a project on it for me. They say this young island got 4 continents. Then they tell me what, they are under Japanese occupation. Okay? Then they tell me the inhabitants of Yap Island is called the Yapians. That is very true. I tell you, when I retire, I will become the president of Yap Island. You come to my country, right? No need passport. Just complete the step of me. If you can complete the step, you can come in. If you cannot, you cannot. Okay? Then some of them even say, Joe, the more we keep, it's called child abuse. Then they say they want to complain to the Minister of Child Abuse. No, I told them, go ahead. Because the Minister of Child Abuse is not here. So you cannot complain like it's me, alright? Okay, Nadia, what's next? What's the number on that page? 5, 6, 7? Now I write what? 5. Okay. Today's day. Okay, I want to tell the class, don't know how to form equation, don't cry out, don't cry, go find it out, I don't know how to form equation. No, when I say come back, we try, understand? I just want you to try it, okay? Now, you will say, problem solving. I want on foolscap. Exercise 1E. 1, 4, 5. I don't know Taiwan. Wow, let me check. 6, 8, 9. 6 questions. Now, excuse me. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You want to copy question, just move part 1, part 2, part 3, and write copy, okay? Understand? This person who cannot write the whole name. Okay, copy, and cannot form, must try it. No need to try. Next Wednesday we come. Now you see, tomorrow is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then you see me. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, says each day do